Hi, this is Betty Hurley again, and I mentioned in the earlier video that if you had both the math journal and group work within your course, there was at least one additional step that you need to do. So there is a math journal here, and there is group work in this course. So I'm going to go to Administration, to Users, and to Groups. Now, note here, we've got our journal set up for up to 20 students. And we also have our groups set up. And that should be the case in your course. If it's not, let me know, because we can do that in the master, and then it saves you a little bit of time. So as I showed in the other video, what you would do is select each journal as a group, click Add Remove Users, click your first student and add, and remember her name is Brenna. Click the adjunct name and add. And then go back to groups. And if you'd like, go ahead and edit the group settings to put the student's name in there. So just change this to Brenna. Okay. And you would do that for each of the students in your class. The additional part is, those of you who've taught for a while, I think every one of you have, you've done the group thing, so it's the same idea, except you'd click on the group and then add the members of each of those groups as you've decided to assign them. The difference is that because we do have two sets of groups and two sets of modules, you need to put them in groupings. And as I mentioned, these should already have been set up already, and you can see it updates as you rename each of your journals. Just make sure that all of the journal numbers are in here. So if you need to add some more because of the size of your class, you can click on the edit. Nope, I thought I did that wrong. You want to click on the people there. And then if you want to add any more that you've put in here, you can do that. But as you see, all the journals are already in there. So going back to groupings, you can see that both of those are set up. You shouldn't have to set up a grouping. It should already be from the master import into your course. But there is something that you also need to do that looks like it doesn't transfer from courses. So if we turn editing on, and you want to edit the settings, and what you want to put in here is under Common Module Settings, you want to put in the grouping. So this is for the journal, so you want to choose Math Journals. And return. And you'll know you've done it correctly when it shows Math Journals under there. Now we have to find the group assignment. And it's under here, the group presentation. And Module 5 groups. And it's also in the collaborative work. Okay. And again, you know that you've made the assignment correctly if it shows under here. And that's it. If you have questions, let me know. And I do need to double check and make sure I was supposed to do that under both places. So Mark, I will get to you specifically. Okay, that's all.